everybody, it's Alyssa and welcome to Vlogtober Day 1. I am so excited for it to be October again. September and October are always my favorite months of the year because of Halloween and my birthday, and I had a really amazing month of September. It flew by very quickly, and I'm really sad that October's already here because I just know that it's gonna zoom by so quickly. But we are here for Vlogtober. I will be trying to film every single day. I will not be uploading every single day, mainly because I do work every single day, and I also have my small business that I do, YouTube, streaming. I have a lot of little jobs taking care of my animals, so I don't really have time to also edit and upload every day, unfortunately, but I will try my best. So as you guys saw from the little bit of footage that I showed from this morning, I just made breakfast. I didn't film it, but I was preparing for my shop launch because I had a Halloween launch on my shop today. There should be a lot of stuff still up on the website by the time this vlog should come out, so I'll put a link for my website down below. I released some Pop-Tart pill pouches, some Halloween keychains and car decorations, some crochet foods. I uploaded a lot, and then I also have 9 people who signed up for the October subscription box on my Patreon. So I only have 1 slot left. So if anybody would like to join to get the items for the October box, these are the items that are going to be inside of the box. I did film a little bit of studio vlog type footage a couple days ago when I was preparing everything. So I will go ahead and show you guys that footage now. I'm very, very happy with my subscription box. It's just really helped me like be able to create and make new things and also kind of have like a steady stream of income also as well. So that has just been really nice for me, and I've been absolutely loving it. You guys seem to love the September box. I still need to finish working on 1 more September box to ship out tomorrow. And then all the September boxes for people who joined in September have been shipped out, and mostly everybody has received their boxes, and I have received nothing but good comments on the boxes, so I'm very happy about that. Yeah, right now my couch is literally like my craft couch because I just sit down here and watch TV and also do a bunch of crafts. I have like literally a bag full of yarn right here. I have a bag full of yarn right there. I have all my felt stuff over there. My boyfriend's coming over in like an hour, and I'm just gonna be crocheting the rest of the day. So I need to finish making some little crochet foods. I just need to make 3 more, and then I'll be able to pack my last September boxes. And like I said, if you'd like to join October, there is 1 slot left as of the time I'm saying this, but as the time the video comes out, I don't know if there will be one. My sister's birthday is also on the 18th of this month, and I plan on making her something for her birthday. I have the pattern and everything. I want to make her a purse, and I've already gotten the yarn for it. There goes my clock. Yeah, honestly, the rest of my day is not going to be too exciting. That's why I'm kind of splitting these vlogs into like multiple days before I upload them, just because my days are pretty much spent crocheting, painting, working. That's literally it. I have a pretty boring life. I'm very content with my boring life, but it's not the most exciting thing in the world to make content on. I also wanted to try my new little stitch markers that I got for my birthday, and my birthday vlog should be up before this one. If you didn't watch my birthday vlog, I got a bunch of like new crafting items for my birthday, so that's really fun. But I'm just gonna go ahead and crochet, and I'll update you guys later. Hey guys, it is October 4th, so today I haven't really been doing much. I work the afternoon shift today, so I'm about to go into work and work till 7 tonight. So this morning, I just spent this morning sleeping in because I was really tired. I made breakfast and watch TV. That's what I did this morning. I uploaded my 25th birthday vlog this morning. Then I took a shower, did my makeup. I kind of did my eyebrows a little bit differently. I really have been liking the new style of like eyebrows that are like, I wasn't able to do it because my eyebrows aren't long enough, but like where the wispy brows where like girls will like push their eyebrows up and make them look like really feathery. I really like that, so I want to try to do that. I've been seeing a lot of girls online, and there was also a girl on The Bachelor who did it, and I thought that she looked absolutely stunning with them. So I tried to do it, but I just don't think that my eyebrows are long enough. I don't know if I said eyelashes before, but eyebrows. And then lipstick. Here's my work fit. I've got this strawberry sweater with this white tank top underneath. Normally I would wear it open so you could like see my stomach and it was a little bit more slouchy, but I am a librarian, so I kind of have to dress appropriately because I'm around kids. Jeans and my white Docs. I wish I had pink Docs because I would really be wearing my pink Docs all the time. That is one color of Doc that I really would like to get eventually. But yeah, I'm just gonna get ready for work, get a snack, water bottle, books, and work. And then when I get home this afternoon, if I'm still in the mood to, I really do want to start cleaning my closet upstairs. I do need to get to like crocheting and stuff, but tomorrow on my live stream, I'm going to start painting my October subscription box paintings. I'm gonna paint all 10 of them. So I'm gonna do that, start all that tomorrow. So tonight when I get home, I think I'm going to organize my closet. So we will do that together. Oh, and also I put some Halloween press-on nails on. Got these really cheap, I think it was like AliExpress or Temu. They were like literally 90 cents. And you can buy the same ones on Amazon for $10. So I was like, I'm not gonna spend $10 for the same thing that I can get online for 90 cents. Like, I'm not doing that. So I bought them from one of those sites. I don't remember which one. I've had them for a while. And they're so freaking cute. This is what they look like. And these will stay on for a couple of days. So I did these today too. And I love them. It'll be interesting to see how I can crochet with these two. Hey guys, so it's 10:30 p.m. I literally just got home. And I know I told you guys earlier, I was like, I'm going to clean my closet when I get home. Well, I didn't, because I got a notification that my American Girl doll delivered. It's the birthday gift that my sister got me for my birthday, and it was delivered at their house. So after work, I went to my parents' house to get what I thought was my American Girl doll that I've been waiting for like a month. So if you guys don't know, I don't really talk about it too much, but I do have a doll channel and I've had it for a very, very long time. I love American Girl dolls. I love dolls in general, so I use that channel just to show doll stuff. It's not even monetized or anything. I wish it was, but I love American Girl dolls, but I don't typically buy them brand new because they are very expensive. I typically buy them really cheap online and I'll like restore them. My sister got me the 1999 Nikki doll. Here it is, right? Like, here's Nikki. And I was like so happy, and I like went to go open the box and I was like, oh my God, like my first brand new American Girl doll. Well, my first of like forever. I've only ever had one other new American Girl doll, and it's when I was younger. But I open up the box, right? Keep in mind, the front of it says Nikki, 1999. Like that's the doll that she ordered. That's the doll that I wanted. And I open up the box and it's not Nikki. It's Rebecca, the 1914 doll. The one doll that I literally already have. Like, I literally own 4 American Girl dolls. 3 of them need to be restored, so those 2 are like in terrible condition. They need to be restored. Another one is just body limbs down there. And the one doll that I have that is restored and she's in good condition and I have her displayed is Rebecca. So it is very insane that the one doll that I got that was wrong was the one doll that I already had. So I immediately called the American Girl like customer service line, because I was like, well, this is like obviously like extremely wrong. She's stunning, she's beautiful. I already have her though. They are resending me the new doll, and in that package, apparently it's going to include a prepaid shipping label to send this wrong doll back to them. I really wish they would have let me keep her, because I feel like I would have kept this newer one and like sold my older one or something. Or I wish they gave me like some type of gift card or something, because it already took like quite a long time to get here. That's the first time it's ever happened. Apparently it's very rare for that to happen. Like I posted it on the American Girl Facebook pages and people were like, that's happened like a couple of times, but like that doesn't really happen too often. So you just got bad luck. And I was like, yeah, I know. But their customer service literally were amazing. So I just hope the new doll comes quickly because I wanted to show you guys my new doll like here on my vlog because I love American Girl dolls. And then we went to Cracker Barrel, and then when we went to Cracker Barrel, apparently all of the cooks walked out because they were being like overworked and understaffed. There was like 2 waitresses working the entire restaurant. So we weren't able to be served because like the cooks like went on strike. Like the whole night was just like so chaotic and weird, and like weird things were happening. And then we went to like a Buffalo's that looked like a strip club, and it was just like, tonight's been crazy. I just got home. I'm super, super tired, and I work in the morning. So I'm kind of trying to stay up for like another hour or 2 to let my dogs like get their energy out because I feel bad that they were like cooped up all day while I was gone. Yeah, I don't know when I'm gonna update you guys again, but whenever I do something interesting, hopefully tomorrow, then we can kind of do something interesting in this vlog because I feel like this vlog has been extremely boring and I am very sorry about that. Hey guys, welcome to Vlogtober day 6. I'm exhausted, as you can hear and tell. I work 9 to 5 today. Kind of just existing on vibes right now. I'm so tired. Got my Magic Spoon cereal bar for breakfast. I've got my ramen for lunch. I've got my water bottle. I have my bag full of yarn so I can crochet the project that I'm crocheting at work. My sister's birthday is on the 18th of this month, and she asked me last year if I could make her a purse for her birthday this year. So I have started a like crossbody purse. So I did this at work yesterday. So I feel like I'm gonna get a lot done at work today. So this is the front half of the purse, and I have to make another one to be the back half, and then I'm gonna sew them together. And then I'm gonna make like a flap to go over it. And this didn't even take me that long. This took me like an hour or 2 hours to make. So honestly, this whole purse might not even take me that long to make. And then I'm gonna put some fabric on the inside of it. So I'll keep you guys updated on this. But it is time to go to work. Hey guys, it is Vlogtober day 7. I didn't even film on day 6 at all. And on day 5, I think all I filmed is me making some loaded mashed potatoes for dinner the other night. Literally been doing nothing but going to work, coming home, crocheting or editing or diamond painting for a video. So sorry about that. I feel like this is a good stopping point for this vlog because I have officially filmed the whole first week of October. So I may just split all of my Vlogtober episodes up into like week episodes. What is happening down here? So yeah, I'm sorry if this vlog was boring, but so is life. I actually work today too. Today is Saturday. I work 1 to 5 today. I made my coffee for the morning, and before work today, I'm gonna try get some filming done for my doll channel. So right now for the month of October, I'm going to make a custom Halloween American Girl doll. So I'm gonna be turning this like really decrepit old doll into a really cute Halloween doll. If you guys would like to see that, I'll have my doll channel down below because I'm gonna be posting that video soon. Also, if you guys would like to, I have my shop down below. I still have many Halloween items and also new items in my shop that you guys can purchase from, and I'm going to be trying to make and package some of the orders on camera this month. This weekend, starting tomorrow, I'm really going to be grinding, just making everything, and within the next week, all of the boxes should be shipped out to all of my Sapphire patrons for the subscription box. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Today feels so good outside. It's literally 50 degrees outside. It feels so like fall. Like I literally slept in a hoodie and it was just like perfect weather. I'm such in a good mood right now because of the weather. It feels so good. I hope it stays that way from this point forward because this weather puts me in such a good mood. So I hope you guys are having a good day or night. I'm going to end this vlog here and start another vlog. Like I said, make sure to check out all my social media, shop and everything down below. But until then, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.